Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Basic Skills AI YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of Genmo, a cutting-edge AI designed for generating videos and 3D animations from text and images. I can't wait to demonstrate how it operates. Your support for my YouTube channel means the world, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's kick things off. The videos and animations you're about to see were all crafted by the remarkable Genmo AI. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to this powerful yet lesser-known AI, specializing in video and animation generation. Genmo boasts features like text-to-video and image-to-video capabilities, enabling you to create stunning 3D animated videos without needing expertise in software like Blender, Cinema 4D, Maya, or high-end rendering hardware. Believe it or not, Genmo provides Hollywood-level filmmaking capabilities for free. Now, you can turn your creative ideas into reality without the steep learning curve or extensive time investment. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on using Genmo AI, from accessing this hidden gem of artificial intelligence to connecting with its Discord community. We'll explore methods for both text-to-video and image-to-video processes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well acquainted with Genmo AI, empowered to effortlessly generate videos and 3D animations, bringing your imaginative concepts to life. After this introduction and a glimpse of sample videos generated by Genmo, it's time for us to create one together. If you enjoy my educational content, please consider supporting the channel with a super thanks donation. Your support helps me create more videos for you. Now, let's dive into Genmo AI. To get started, visit the Genmo AI website. At the top, you'll find the slogan, "Make videos using AI with Genmo." Below, there's a text box for entering prompts. Navigate to the left menu, where you can access video and image features. To begin, create an account on the site through Discord or email. Once in the dashboard, you'll see a list of previously generated videos. To create your first video using the text-to-video service, select Video from the left menu under the Create section. In the text box at the bottom, enter your prompt, or try the interesting button to generate a random prompt. Click Submit, and after a short wait, your first video will be ready. For more control, use a prepared prompt and paste it into the text box. Click the hamburger icon for settings. Adjust the aspect ratio, duration, and motion parameters to tailor the video to your preferences. Click Submit. And your video will be generated based on these parameters. The Genmo AI website also features an image-to-video option. Upload an image, adjust parameters like aspect ratio, duration, preserve, and motion, and click Submit to transform your images into captivating videos or animations. In conclusion, Genmo AI opens up exciting possibilities for creative video production. Experiment with settings to customize the style and bring your ideas to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support the channel through super thanks donations. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've gained valuable insights. Like, comment, and share this video, and stay tuned for upcoming AI tutorials. See you in the next one.